Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, our today's topic is producers equilibrium with the help of marginal cost and marginal revenue approach. See, according to this approach, producer strikes his equilibrium when two conditions are satisfied. Number one, marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, and number second, marginal cost is rising. So these are the two conditions that needs to be satisfied. Number one is MR is equal to MC, marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, and number second, MC is rising, or MC curve cuts MR curve from below. I will show you that later in diagram. Now see this table, it shows producers equilibrium according to MR and MC approach. Now this is the schedule. This table A, it is marginal revenue and marginal cost schedule and producers equilibrium, and it is based on the assumption, this table is based on the assumption or drawn on the assumption that price, that means AR, is constant, so that marginal cost is constant, that will be equal to rupees 10, right? This table shows that the two conditions of equilibrium are satisfied only when 5 units of output are produced. These are the outputs in units, and 5 units of output are produced. Now it's here that marginal revenue, that will be rupees 10, and marginal cost is rupees 10. That means marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, and also the marginal cost is rising. Here before it was 8, now it's 10, right? And marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, MR is equal to MC, and MC is rising. These are the two conditions of equilibrium. So this table shows that two conditions of equilibrium are satisfied only when 5 units of output are produced. Now I will show you the same with the help of diagram. Now if you see this diagram, x-axis shows output in units 1 2 3 4 5 6, and y-axis shows MR and MC in rupees, right? And this is average revenue, AR, that's equal to 10, and margin revenue 10, it's rupees 10, right? Now you see in this table, it shows that producer strikes his equilibrium at point Q when 5 units of output are produced. Now it's maximizing its profit, see, satisfying two conditions of equilibrium. See, number one is marginal revenue, let's go, marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, here that will be 10, and second thing, marginal cost is rising, marginal cost is rising. So you noted here that it's only when 5 units of output are produced that marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, that will be equal to rupees 10, and marginal cost curve is rising. So these are the two conditions. Now you know the rising marginal cost cuts marginal revenue at point Q, which is the point of firm's equilibrium. Here the firm is producing 5 units of output, it's maximizing its profit, satisfying two conditions, that MR is equal to MC, MR is equal to MC, and MC curve is rising. or it's cutting MR line from below, right? And this diagram is not exactly according to that table. This is just to make the diagram simple, right? Now this is the producer's equilibrium. Now this is the producer's equilibrium with the help of MC and MR approach. That means marginal revenue and marginal cost approach. Thank you very much.